Hey, so this is a question I've gotten quite a few times, and the question is, how do you control something like the Revv Generator 120 or any of the other kind of MIDI controllable tube amps? How do you control that from the Quad Cortex? So here's kind of a step-by-step on how to do it for the G120, and if you have more amps you'd like me to show, then I can show that as well. This is how you do it on this. First off, you're going to have to go into MIDI Preset Out, or actually this is the menu up here in the top right. Click those three buttons. MIDI Preset MIDI Out. We're going to go into, so if you have nothing assigned, it's going to show up as none. So what you're going to want to do is type. You're going to change it to PC, program change, channel 1, and let's just call this number 1. And the reason why channel 1 is important is because right now we're going to tell the G120 which channel it should be receiving on. So let's get out of there. Now we'll go up to the G120. We have to hold down store, turn it on. Now those are flashing. It's waiting for a command from any sort of MIDI device. So whichever channel you send something to it on, it's going to say, cool, I'm going to only listen to that channel from now on. So we will send this, and it registered it. So now it's pretty much ready to use, and it's only listening on channel 1. So now what we would like to do is, if we just want to keep that as the one thing, so we go to E, button E. Now we have it assigned that it's a program change, channel 1, program number 1. Now we can go to button 2, and I've already programmed this through, so it's like program change, channel 1, number 2. And then for button G, program change, channel 1, program 3. So I have these 3 that are programmed here, and you can see that if something is programmed to it, then it will be green. So the way that you program the Revv to receive these is, let's just say I want this to be like a clean channel, this to be like a distortion channel, and this to be a lead channel, let's say. So we go to E is going to be it. So we set the amp the way we want. So let's just say, let's do channel 1 in wide with the bright on, and then maybe let's turn on some reverb. So we've decided that that's how, once you dial in your clean, you set it there, then you hit store. Now it's waiting for this command. You hit E, it sends the command, and that red light flashes. That means it received it and it's stored. So now we can go and change our settings. Now, a note is that it doesn't save any of these analog knobs. It only saves the kind of like soft buttons and like modes of the amp. So now let's say we want like a distortion channel. So let's go to like 4, and then maybe, let's just turn all these on. Let's go aggression is blue, and then let's go bright, or let's just do aggression blue, turn on a gate, and then we'll just say that's what we want for that, because that usually sounds pretty good. Now let's go to store. We'll send that message out of F. It flashes. It means it's received. Now we can double check to make sure we got the clean by going back and hitting E, and see it recalls everything that we stored. And then we go back to F. It recalls that, even the aggression and the gate. So now let's go to G, which is going to be a lead. So let's go here. Let's go highest aggression. Let's go bright, cut, fat, reverb, and gate all on. And then maybe even effects loop too. And then we hit store. And we'll send it G. Now it's stored. Now all 3 of these presets are saved on the G120, and anytime these messages get sent from there, it will change. So there is our clean, there is our rhythm, and then there's our lead. So it's as simple as that you can kind of control the Revv G120 from your QC. Hope this was helpful, and if you like these kind of quick nerdy videos, let me know and I'll make more.